What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to take a Clickbank product and make money with it on Instagram. I'm gonna give you guys 3 steps on how you can actually get this done, but if you wait till the end of the video, I'm gonna give you guys a shortcut on how you can start making money today. So let's hop into the computer right now and let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, we're on Clickbank right now because the first thing we want to do for the step number 1 is we want to have a product. We got to have a product so we can make money on Instagram. So Instagram is going to bring us all the traffic, and then we'll promote our product right here that we're getting from Clickbank. So I already got a product right here in mind. It's the keto resources, and as you can see on the screen, we'll make $25 every time we get a sale with this. And so all we need to do now is build traffic around our product. So I'm going to show you guys somebody that's already doing this exact method and got the same product and everything. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pretty much copy what these guys are doing. We're just gonna have different pictures. We'll use some of their pictures, but we're gonna mix it up with different ones, different Instagram accounts. All right, so you guys see keto cooking recipes, and so they got 400 posts, 659K followers, and right here they got the complete 28-day keto plan, 50% off. So these guys are doing the exact same thing that you want to do. And so as you can see on these pictures, they getting 5,000 likes, 5,000, around 6,000. This one got 10,000, 6,000, 8,000, 7,000, 3,000, 2,000. Let's just 11,000. So let's just say these guys are averaging 3 to like 5,000 likes on every picture, and they got a lot of comments on here, 212. And so what we want to do is we want to go to find the ones that got 10,000, 11,000. We want to post these pictures because we see that these pictures got the most engagement, got the most likes, and that's how we want to start getting our name out there, by posting certain things like this. So what we'll do is we're gonna pretty much copy exactly what these guys are doing, just because we know what these guys are doing is pretty much working. And so you see they got a description right here, they got the ingredients, different things like that. But as you can see, this is the keyword right here. This is what we really looking for: keto starter guide, link in bio. That's why they posting this, because they gonna point people back to the link in the bio, because somebody will see this and be like, okay, let me see how to make this. They got the ingredients, different stuff like that. It's like, okay, if they making these type meals, what is they talking about the link in the bio? What is that? And then the link in the bio is a keto 28-day plan or something like that. Whatever it is, but that's the product that we're selling. So it's gonna be a lot of people from these posts actually come back over here to buy this product right here. And so, and trust me, they wouldn't be doing this if they wasn't getting any type of sales. But the key thing is, you can do the exact same thing. On these posts, you can actually see the hashtags, different things like that these guys are using. So the hashtag right here, all you gotta do, everybody that's putting these hashtags on here gotta be into keto. And so if you got a keto product, it just makes sense to get sales. So that's the first step. We wanna go and get a product. So now that we got the product, and now we got what we're gonna model, the pages that we're gonna model. If you want another page, all you gotta do is go right here and click another page. So just the hashtag, and all you gotta do is click on something like this, and it brings up a whole nother page, Instagram page, that's about keto. So that's all you have to do, just to find out, all right, what's the product, and then how you gonna promote it. So all we gotta do is promote this and just have different food pictures. That's what it looked like to me. So this one right here, 2,700 likes on this one, 2,800, 300. We don't want to post this one because it's a low one, 500. So you want to post the one with the highest like, just because you know that one is getting the most engagement. And so that's step number 1 and step number 2. Okay guys, so on step number 3, now it's time to get the traffic. So this is the most important thing we gotta do. As you can see, the keto, let's say keto weight loss, this is a hashtag. And so all these posts on here on the keto weight loss, popular posts in that niche. So you know the explore page, different ones like that. You can actually go on here, and if you're on the explore page, you can go viral on the explore page. So some of you guys just went and put the hashtags on there, and then from the hashtags, they got put on the explore page just because, everybody was liking it, good engagement, different things like that. And so they got put on the explore page, and the explore page is how you're gonna go viral. So you can have one post on there that go viral on the explore page, and you can get 10,000 followers just from that one post that you did. And so to do that, you gotta have the right hashtags, you gotta have a good post, the description, everything like that. It gotta be all in one. And so what I'm gonna show you guys right now is how you can actually get that easy just by actually using a certain software. So now we on Boost Up Social. So Boost Up Social is a way how you can grow your Instagram. Now, it's just not growing the Instagram just because that's not really gonna make us no money. We want to grow it in that certain niche, and we want to go viral on that certain post that we're making. So what we want to do is we want to go to buy PowerLikes. So PowerLikes is pretty much gonna be different pages. So bigger Instagrams that got 1 million followers, 500K followers. These people right here are gonna be liking our posts, and it's gonna boost us up in the Instagram algorithm just because these pages got more authority than the pages that we got. So we're gonna be starting off with 100 followers, different things like that. But when these bigger pages come over there and like our posts, it's gonna boost us up and put us on the explore page to actually make us go viral, so we can get more people about keto, more people just to follow our page, and we're gonna be using those hashtags to actually bring in the sales for keto. So it's just not like you're gonna be posting a picture and then random people just be coming to like it. It's gonna be people who's interested in keto recipes, keto diets, and different things like that. So you can actually start making some money from it. And so as you can see right here, grow your Instagram the right way, no bots, no follow, unfollow methods here. So they pretty much gonna make you go on the explore page, land on the explore page, and go viral. The true organic growth service you've been waiting for. So that's all. They backed up by these big companies right here just because the PowerLikes work. So if you don't know about PowerLikes, do your research. But this is what you need to start making money right now, just because once you post a picture, we're gonna go over what exactly it is that these guys do with this after you post a picture. So let's just go to buy PowerLikes. So as you can see right here, find the perfect PowerLike plan. So don't be discouraged by the prices, because it is a little pricey, but it is worth it once you start making money from your Instagram account. So, and these guys are pretty much doing everything for you. All you have to do is go in there, get the pictures, and then from that, all you have to do is use these guys, and they'll bring the traffic, everything towards your post. All you have to do is post the pictures on your Instagram. So if you guys can't post the pictures on your Instagram from these other pages, it's not like you go out here to actually take your own pictures. All you're doing is taking pictures from other pages that have went viral before, and now you're gonna use the PowerLikes behind this. Like, I'm pretty sure these guys out here are pretty much already doing this anyway. That's probably how these guys actually got started. But it's super, super simple after you get something like this to bring the traffic towards your post. So as you can see, the gold package, I wouldn't recommend getting all this just because you probably just starting this. So I wouldn't just recommend this until you see that this one working. But it's $225 monthly just for this. But just try it out. If you like it, cool. If you don't like it, get your refund or whatever. But this will really help you guys out. As you can see, you're getting 600 PowerLikes per post. PowerLikes are big pages, not pages that just got 2 followers. These pages got 100K followers, 200K, 1 million followers, and it's 600 of those pages gonna be liking your post every single time. So it's gonna boost you up in the explore page. And then you got pictures from the other pages that's proven to go viral. So, and how you know that is just look at the views on it, the likes, and the comments on it. You can see one post with 2,000 likes and probably 30 comments, but then you'll see another one with 15,000 or 10,000. You want to get those posts and put that on yours so you can actually go viral. Just because now you know the picture went viral already before, so it's a good picture. And then you use this to get the PowerLikes, and then it says 30 posts per month. So right here, just like I said, all PowerLikes accounts have 20K to 1.9 million followers. So it's not nobody that's gonna be liking your page like a fake page, like this page only got 2 followers on there. It's gonna be 20K to 1.9 million followers on their page. So that's how you're gonna actually get into the Explore page, just because all these pages have authority on their site. And so let's see, rank on hashtags and Explore. So you want to have all those hashtags. So when you go back over here, you want to click on and see which hashtag these guys are using. So right here, you want to see, and that's the same website that we was on right here. So you want to go right here and say, okay, so this one right here, 14.5K. We know this is a good post right here. So this probably be the first picture I post on there, and then I pretty much copy the description. You know, you can give these guys credit if you want to, but if not, just post it on there. And then you want to get these hashtags, take these same hashtags that these guys are using, and then that's how you're gonna go viral, because you got a viral post, viral hashtags. And now the thing that the way that you will beat the competition is by having these PowerLikes, because now you can rank on the hashtags and the Explore page. And so start receiving likes within minutes. And then you get a free Instagram growth ebook. That really don't matter, just because you're gonna use these guys to actually boost your stuff up, and you making money on the back end. So every sale you get, you're gonna be making thousands, well, you can potentially thousands of dollars just from this, just because this one got 14,000 likes on here. So 14,000 people, it's more people have seen this post than liked it. So just say 14,000 people liked this post, and they read the post, in which they say Keto Starter Guide, link in bio. So all these people that like this post gotta be into keto or some type of diet. Because I didn't like this post, you know, I wouldn't pretty much like this post just because I'm not into keto cooking recipes. But people that are interested in keto recipes, they're gonna like this post, and then they're gonna go up here and click this link in the bio. And then once they click that, they take them to the Clickbank product. Like I said, these guys are already doing this, so this is not like some theory. These guys are doing this right now as you watch this video. So keto resources, 28-day keto plan, the keto challenge, the 28-day keto challenge. So it's already working, guys. They wouldn't be posting all these posts if this wasn't working. So you can do the same thing with the keto plan. You can go do a whole nother niche on here and get you know, a different product, and start doing a whole nother cooking recipe. Or you can do a weight loss, or whatever it is that you want to do. You may already got a product, but this works. But the way that you're gonna make money on it right now today is if you get those PowerLikes, just because it's so powerful, because you already got everything you need. You got the post, you got the hashtags, you got the description, the different things to say. All you gotta do is model this page right here. And even if you got different products, still model a successful page, and you will make money on this. So that's it for the day, guys. So if you did get any value from this video, leave a thumbs up for me. And then if you got any questions, comment below and I'll answer all questions. But yeah, guys, that's it for the day. See you guys in the next video.